Hey there, today we're talking about the top digital skills you can learn to boost your earnings and your career. The truth is, I went to university and I studied philosophy, and after 4 years, I got my degree, Bachelor of Arts degree in philosophy, and had second class upper. After that, I had to, do a 3 months training on web design, graphic design, and brand management. But you know what I discovered? While I was getting jobs with my degree in philosophy, I was actually earning more with the skills I acquired in just 3 months. So a skill of 3 months actually gave me more earnings than a 4 years degree. And that is why today we'll be talking about digital skills you can learn to boost your career and to also increase your earnings. This is because once you are skillful, there are many others that will open onto you that your certificates can literally not give to you. Also, when you have a skill, it serves as a sort of upper hand in securing a better job. So one way or the other, your career is boosted. For example, if an organization throws out an ad that they need a marketer and you apply, when 20 persons apply, if you show to them that you have a degree or a training or a certificate on digital marketing, you will most likely get the job because you have an extra skill, which is digital marketing. Like you can sell things online that the others don't have. So if this interests you, make sure you watch this video to the end because you are going to learn a lot. Stay right there, I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So let's go straight to the 8 digital skills you can learn to boost your earnings and your career. Number 1 on the list today is artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you look everywhere, you look on the internet, you look at your phone, just look at anything on the internet or even your WhatsApp, you see that there is always this touch of artificial intelligence. That is where the world is moving into. So in whatever you are doing, if you can acquire skills on artificial intelligence, sincerely speaking, you will have more opportunities when it comes to job or career, and you will also earn more because there will always be side gigs for you to take. So if you are a hustler or someone that actually believes in extra income, then sincerely speaking, you need to take this serious because there is no way you would have skills, either in building architecture for artificial intelligence or mobile apps or whatever it is, or have a way, an initiative, a strategy of developing programs that actually function as artificial intelligence, either for marketing, social media marketing, for basic daily activities, or anything you can imagine. As long as you have the skill, there will be lots of open doors for you this very year. So I will advise that you take time, research on where you can learn these skills, and get started. Most times, you just have to understand Python. With some other tools, you'll be surprised at what result you will get. But the major thing, like I said, is to be willing and to actually get started. So in your bucket list or whatever list you have, make sure you include artificial intelligence or machine learning. In whatever capacity you operate, you will always need a touch of artificial intelligence. So why not just be the tool maker instead of someone who just uses the tool? So what are you waiting for? Get on Google and start searching for where you can learn artificial intelligence. Number 2, data analysis or data science. As you are looking at me, I have a diploma from Edgeforge Business School where I got diploma in data analysis. The truth is, if you are active or you have a job, getting a certification or degree, data science or data analysis, is actually a great way to get into tech. Beyond that, you will always get side gigs because everyone wants a business where everything is data driven. Nobody wants to do business or whatever it is in obscurity. Like, everybody wants clarity, and that's where you come in. So if you are actively engaged in a job or you are job hunting, get a diploma, a certificate, or a degree in data science or data analysis. If you can get it, there will be lots of opportunities for you out there, both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. Check on Google about the highest paid jobs or the highest job opportunities in the UK. You will discover that data analysis is actually one of them. Once you leave health, they are coming straight for data analysis because that organization is a developed society. Beyond UK, look at Canada, look at United States, look at developed countries. They always want data analysts. The same thing is happening in Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa. You see that lots of organizations are pushing out ads to recruit data analysts. So what are you waiting for? This is your free time, your free period. Take up a course online on data analytics, add it to your CV, and you will see that your career will get boosted and your earnings will also increase. So most of the time, we just waste time, not learning what we really need to learn. I've always told people the best investment you can do is investing in yourself. When it comes to knowledge, you can never invest wrong. It's just that, sometimes you need the certifications, you need to have the certifications and wait for the opportunity to knock. It is far better when you have these certifications with you and wait for the opportunities to come than when the opportunities come and you actually don't have the required certificates, skills, or trainings. Number 3 is cybersecurity. What is the essence of a startup or a business that is not secured? Imagine opening a fintech app and you later discover that these guys are not secured. Or running a startup where there is no form of secrecy, security, or there are always firewall loopholes. That is where you come in. You can never invest in education or getting the training in cybersecurity and invest wrong. There is this lady, a Nigerian actress, that is actually making waves in the United States, Mrs. Buki Wright. As old as she is, as experienced as she is in acting, she actually went to United States to learn cybersecurity, and she's doing fine now. I have lots of friends that don't even have certificates in any other thing. Some of them don't have degree, but they found their way to learn cybersecurity from Oracle or some other platforms that they know of. And sincerely speaking, they are earning so much that you'll be surprised that the figures they call. And the good part is, you can always get remote jobs as a cybersecurity expert. The major thing is what? To get started. There is money in the fields I'm calling, and there are opportunities. And even when you have an existing career, it will always boost, your prospects. So what are you waiting for? Try to enroll for cybersecurity today. Get a cybersecurity training. It can be online and it can be physical. It all depends on your schedule. What I just don't want is that you stay on the spot. You don't make progress. Make progress in any of the trainings I'll be talking about, the career path I'll be talking about, so that you can, maximize your earning potential and your career. So look for a place where they take cybersecurity course and enroll today. Your future self will thank you if you actually took a degree or a training in cybersecurity. Number 4, digital marketing and SEO. The truth is, as long as your business is online, you will always need a digital marketer or an SEO expert. Because sincerely speaking, what is the essence of having a startup or a digital enterprise that is not optimized on search? So SEO, has different areas. It is called search engine optimization. So on search engine, we also have Google My Business page. We have rankings, we have backlinks, we have lots of things in the SEO space and the digital marketing space. But the question is, you that you are looking at me, what skills do you have that would actually help you get a job either in digital marketing or help you, push your career to a stage where you earn so much without having to leave the comfort of your house? As you're looking at me, I have 13 certifications on digital marketing. And sincerely speaking, I earn like 90 to 99% of my income staying at home. But these things are only possible because I have enough skill to raise myself and to raise my family. If you look behind me, you see the picture of a family. So I have a family and, we are doing fine, at least to an extent. So if you want this freedom, then I think one of the starting points you can, start with is digital marketing. Because out of all the certifications and trainings that I'm mentioning and that I've mentioned, Digital marketing seems to be one of the easiest, to get involved in, one of the easiest to actually pass the exams, one of the easiest to study, and one of the cheapest out of all of them. So, and you can always take a training from Google itself, because Google has some courses on digital marketing, and after taking them, add these things to your profile on LinkedIn, and you'll be surprised at the opportunities that will be jumping at you. The major thing is for you to get skilled up. Before I move on to the next one, even if you're a business owner, I think you deserve to take a training on digital marketing and SEO. Sometimes you just don't need to outsource some things. Learn these things, engage them, every single day. Optimize your website, optimize your mobile app, optimize your startup on the internet. Then you see your customers increase, and when they increase, your earnings will also increase. So what are you waiting for? Get skilled up. Look for a place where they take digital marketing courses and apply. You can also do it online, like I said, but the major thing is to keep making progress. Start to number 5, web development. I have been a web developer since I was around 10 years old. I was lucky enough to have access to a laptop my uncle bought for me from Canada, and that actually made the difference. But I can always tell you that the space of web development is still large. The sky is really big, and there are lots of birds that can fly in the web development space, because many businesses will get started. Many of them would like to go online, and not all of them can actually design. Even though we have AI that now designs websites for organizations and for people, the truth is people have to control this AI. And as long as people are actually not getting skilled up, there will always space for you. Web design, web development, I would advise you take this course with digital marketing skills, because if you can have full knowledge of web development and digital marketing, sincerely speaking, you will kill and make lots of money from the internet space. Because at the end of the day, you would actually build startups either for yourself or for your clients that will actually make lots of money on the internet. Web development has given me a whole lot of money, because I design websites, any form of website. All you have to do on your next project is to make sure you drop a comment and a team member reach out to you on the kind of project you want to build. So, but let's leave that. Let's talk about you. Learning web development could be as easy as ABC. You can start from either coding or using platforms that are based on no code. We have the likes of Joomla, we have WordPress, we have Laravel. You don't necessarily need to understand how HTML works or how JavaScript works. The major thing is the templates are there. As long as you can use your sense and you can, customize them to suit client need, you are good to go. Let's take WordPress for example. With WordPress, you can build an e-commerce, you can build a company landing page, you can build shipping, logistics website, you can build a marketplace, you can build anything you want. So the limitation is actually not in the tools, it is based on your mind and your brain. So I would advise that you become flexible this very year. Learn a digital skill, and like I said, I am recommending 8 of them. Now out of these 8, the number 6 is actually one of the most important ones. But like I also said, you can start from web design and digital marketing. With these 2, you are good to go. You will earn a lot, either as a salary earner if you are working for an organization, or even as a freelancer. Because while you are earning from salary, you can always make lots of money by the side from the gigs and the opportunities you'll be getting, for digital marketing gigs and web design opportunities. Don't forget, we have Fiverr, we have Upwork. These platforms are always there for you to showcase your skills and earn money on the internet. If you also have some skills and you think you want to go beyond them or you want them localized, you can go to traveler.xyz. On that platform, you will see opportunities to actually market the skills you have and make money from the skills. Number 6, cloud computing. So cloud computing, many companies are taking their businesses to cloud, to different servers globally. We have AWS, we have cloud server, we have different servers, and people are beginning to wake up. Everyone is taking their, but they need people with skills to manage the cloud infrastructure. So if you have these skills, you are actually an hot cake. I have friends that are now in Sweden, Germany, and Even Portugal, you know how they got there? They only got skilled up in cloud engineering, registered these things on their platform on LinkedIn, and companies came for them. So if you want visa sponsorship jobs, you can actually just get cloud engineering degree, but not be as easy as web design and digital marketing, but it will actually give you the revenue, open lots of doors for you, and also give you massive income this way. I would advise that you watch one of my videos that I talked about how to get the sponsorship jobs through LinkedIn, because I talked about how to set up your account on LinkedIn, how to promote your account, how to search for jobs, and how to get visa sponsorship jobs. So the same thing, once you have this knowledge on cloud engineering, you are most likely going global, because there are lots of persons, lots of organizations that are actually looking for cloud engineers, and you might be the lucky person. So number 7 is UI UX design. The jobs and the gigs for UI UX design might not really come every day, unlike the web design and digital marketing. But the truth is, it's one that once it comes massively. It comes with lots of funds and lots of revenue. So UI UX design is simply about the user interface and user experience. For example, I want to build a website and I hire you. I come to you to tell you to build a UI UI for me. So all you need to do is what? To explain the user journey, put them into images. If I click here, where it's going to take me to? I click here, where it's going to take me to, and all. So it's going to entail both the user experience and the user interface. Now the truth is, as long as you have this skill, you can never go broke, because there are lots of startups, lots of apps, lots of softwares, websites that are springing up, and people need people who understand user experience, user interface, and how everything works. And that's where you come in. So try to get skilled up in UI UX if at all you want to build a career in the tech space. As a UI UX person, beyond getting a day job, you can also get product management opportunities. So there are lots of opportunities. It is just limitless. You can become a UI UX engineer, you can become a cloud engineer, you can become a web designer, you can become a digital marketer, or you can even go strictly into AI and machine learning, or even cybersecurity. So there are lots of opportunities out. I hope you take actions, because actions is what really matters. So beyond all the talks and all the advice and everything, it's all about you taking action. Last but not the least is content creation or video editing. After making this video, I had to send it to one of my designers and editors, and all he did was just to edit this video, and help me upload on YouTube. Whether I make money from it or not is actually not his concern. The major thing is that I had to pay him some dollars to help me edit this video and place on YouTube. You can become an editor also. There are lots of tools out there that will make this easier for you. Number 1, we have the likes of CapCut, we have DaVinci. There are lots of tools. The major thing is to understand them. Mastery is all that matters. Understand them and start using them to help people edit their videos. Lots of content creators out there that really don't have time, or they don't know how to use video editing softwares, and that is where you come in. The major thing is to understand it, have mastery of these softwares, and you are good to go. Beyond that, you can also go into content creation. Because you understand how these tools work, it will be easier for you to actually edit your own work, post, and make money. For persons that live on content creation, and I'm one of them. There are lots of people who have become wealthy today, who have become so rich, that if not for content creation, if not for social media, you wouldn't know about them. We have the likes of Sabinos, Macaroni. There are lots and lots of them. So things are changing, and content creation is the new crude oil. The major thing is for you to key into it. Try to understand, spend time understanding how content creation works, how to do things, and the things you need to put in place to actually go viral. So guys, those are the top 8 digital skills you need to learn to boost your career or to increase your earnings. As per content creation, once again, if you work in an organization and you know how to make content that they can use for their promotions, either on social media, on WhatsApp, or any other platform, sincerely speaking, everything about the organization will favor you, because they will eventually notice you, and you might actually start charging them over time. So one way or the other, these skills will actually make a way for you wherever you are. It will give you more income, both from where you work and from outside, because you can always get side gigs, side hustles, and these are always extra income. I wonder why you don't want to get started. If you truly want to get started, please drop a comment in the comment section telling me the kind of skills you want to learn and how much it costs and possibly where you want to study it. I might be able to help you. But the major thing is what? Drop the name of the skill, where you want to study it, and the fee. If I'm interested in you and I think you are serious, I might actually reply and tell you what next, how to apply for my scholarship, and how much I'm willing to fund you. If this is the first time watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe, share this link with your friends, and bye for now.